Okay, so we're going to go through an exam question with 4 marks. We're going to look at a process which we can break down how to answer the question in a simple way. So every time you get a question like this, you're going to look at the command word, which in this case is explain. So you're going to box the command word. You're going to underline any keywords, which in this question is sedentary, and you're going to circle the amount of marks. The whole question is explain why it is beneficial for a sedentary person to improve his or her fitness. So once you've boxed the command word, in this case explain, it can be anything from discuss, evaluate, or identify, things like that. You want to know what it means, so draw a line off. Explain is explain how or why with reasoning. And you're going to use words like because and therefore. Now we know what explain means, we're going to look at the keyword sedentary. So what is a sedentary person? So we should know that a sedentary person is normally inactive and spends too much time sitting. Too much time seated. Last thing, we're going to look at the amount of marks. So if it's a 4-mark question, it's probably a AO2 to AO3 question. So the AO2 would be 1 to 2 marks, which in this case you would list the reasons why a sedentary person would benefit from exercise. Should be making a list. But to get 3 or 4 marks, you would have to explain, so have an explanation. Right, now we've done the short little process. Now we need to look at how to answer it. So you should know in your head a couple of reasons why it would be beneficial for a sedentary person to improve his or her fitness. You're going to look at physical, mental and social benefits. So a physical benefit would be to lower the risk of certain diseases. So for this example, I'm going to use heart disease. So lower risk of heart disease. So you start off, you give a sentence starter, you probably start off, a sedentary person would benefit from improving his or her fitness because it would lower their risk of heart disease. That would be a part of a list. Now you've got to put the explanation. So this would be because it would flush out the arteries. Okay, so reduce blockages in the arteries. It would improve artery health and reduce blockages in the arteries. Another example would be it would reduce obesity and cause weight loss. So reduce obesity and cause weight loss. This would be because you would burn more calories if you're exercising more. Burn more calories with increased exercise. The benefits of improving their fitness would also have mental health benefits. This would be because it would release endorphins in the brain, which are chemicals that make you feel good and improve your mood. So release endorphins to improve mood. The last benefit would be a social benefit. Exercise would give the chance to meet new friends and socialize more. So those are 4 different examples of why a sedentary person would improve her fitness. It would be a benefit for a sedentary person to improve her fitness. You haven't just given lists, you've given each one and explained why after by using because or therefore. Okay, after you finish this, just to check, you want to go through your process again. You've explained, you've said because on each one. You've talked about sedentary person, and you haven't just listed, you've tried to get 3 and 4 marks by using explanations.